The secrets of Elon Musk's success. Elon Musk is one of the most brilliant and hardworking people in the world. He makes cars that run on electricity and rockets that travel to space. People know him as the man behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX. But Elon didn't become successful overnight. He worked very hard and faced many challenges. Today, I'm going to share the secrets behind his success and the lessons we can learn from him. Are you ready to be inspired? Let's begin. One of Elon Musk's biggest secrets is hard work. He says, "Work like you are in hell." That sounds scary, right? But Elon simply means we should work harder than other people if we want to succeed. Most people work 40 hours a week. That's about 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. But Elon works 80 to 100 hours a week. That's double the work. He believes that if you work twice as much as others, you will achieve in 4 months what takes them a whole year. Imagine if your friends study for 1 hour, but you study for 2 hours every day. You will learn faster and perform better on tests. The same is true for work. Hard work brings success faster. Elon teaches us that we must put in extra effort if we want great results. Elon also teaches us to take risks, especially when we are young. What does that mean? Well, taking risks means trying something new even if it might not work out. Elon says that when you are young, you don't have too many responsibilities. You may not have a family to take care of or bills to pay. This is the best time to take chances and follow your dreams. For example, if you want to start a new business or learn a new skill, it's easier to do that when you are young. As you get older, life gets busier, and you have more things to worry about. So if you have big dreams, don't wait. Start now. Even if you fail, you will learn something important. Do you know what Elon did when he made $180 million by selling his company PayPal? He could have bought a big house, fancy cars, and lived comfortably for the rest of his life without working ever again. But Elon didn't do that. He took a huge risk. He invested almost all his money into new companies. He gave $100 million to SpaceX, $70 million to Tesla, and $10 million to Solar City. That's almost all his money. Many people thought Elon was crazy. What if these companies failed? But Elon believed in his dreams. He was ready to take a risk because he wanted to make the world better. This teaches us that sometimes we have to take bold steps if we want to achieve something great. Did you know that even Elon Musk thought Tesla might fail? He believed it was more likely to fail than succeed. But he still tried because he wanted to prove something important, that electric cars could be fast, beautiful, and amazing. Before Tesla, many people thought electric cars were slow and boring. Elon wanted to change that idea. He wanted to show the world that electric cars could be just as cool as regular cars. Elon teaches us that if something is very important, we should try even if we think we might fail. Every time we try, we learn something new. And sometimes, trying leads to success. Elon Musk loves learning. As a child, he read every page of the Britannica Encyclopedia. Can you imagine reading an entire encyclopedia? That's a huge book with thousands of pages. Even now, Elon spends hours reading and learning new things every week. He believes that there is always something new to learn. Learning helps us grow and become better every day. Whether it's reading books, watching educational videos, or asking questions, learning is the key to success. So never stop learning. Even if you are very smart, there is always more to know. Most companies spend a lot of money on advertisements. They tell people to buy their products through TV, social media, and other ads. But Tesla doesn't do that. Instead, they use their money to improve their cars and technology. Elon believes that a good product is its own advertisement. If something is good, people will talk about it. More people will want to buy it because they trust what their friends and family say. Elon teaches us that we should focus on making things better instead of just telling people to like them. Elon Musk believes that success isn't just about making money. It's about making the world better. He wants his products to help people and solve problems. His electric cars help protect the planet by using less gas. His rockets are working to make space travel cheaper. Elon says that the best products are the ones that have value and help people. This teaches us an important lesson. Success is not just about earning money. It's about doing work that makes life better for others. So, what can we learn from Elon Musk? First, work hard. Even when it's tough, keep going. Second, take risks, especially when you are young. Third, never stop learning. There is always something new to discover. Fourth, believe in your dreams, even if others think you will fail. And finally, make the world better. Do work that helps people and brings value to their lives. Elon Musk's story shows us that dreams can come true if we work hard, believe in ourselves, and never give up. The future is waiting for you. Are you ready to chase your dreams?